What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here with Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can create and mint your own NFTs. So why is this so thrilling? Simply put, NFTs are incredibly hot right now, and there is no signs of them slowing down. So now being able to create and sell your own NFTs on a growing marketplace with billions and billions of dollars that are being transacted on a quarterly basis, it would be crazy not to see what all the hype is about in the NFT marketplace right now. Now remember, this is not investment advice, so please do your own research anytime you invest in any sort of digital asset. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. So by the end of this video, you should be able to go on your own and start minting and selling or even creating your very own NFTs and seeing if you can get ready buyers for your NFTs. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then go ahead and leave me a comment below just to introduce yourself. I love getting to know who exactly my watchers are. NFTs became popular in early 2021 after Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey sold the first ever tweet to be created for $2.9 million. This created a whole lot of buzz on the internet, prompting individuals to start selling personal items that have value. However, the market witnessed a meteoric increase when crypto users realized that almost anything could be sold as a non-fungible token. To date, numerous brands and celebrities are joining the NFT train, and it appears they are here to stay. NFTs also offer a budding and booming market for digital artists who are seeking ways to sell their artwork online. Analysts suggest that the NFT market's value will likely go beyond 1.3 billion before the end of 2021. And this seems to be achievable as many developers continue to make moves to adopt this new trend, which many consider the future of art collection. The NFT market isn't too technical to understand or join. However, to make a considerable profit, one must understand how to make collectibles that will sell. Crypto users won't just buy your NFTs without any good reason. Therefore, your artwork must have real or perceived value for it to make waves in the NFT space. So why should you consider NFTs? The perk of publishing works on the blockchain is its legitimacy and maximum divisibility. NFT marketplaces certify digital ownership and authenticity recorded by using blockchain technology. Furthermore, evidence of ownership is safeguarded since blockchain records of legitimacy can never be modified or removed. Asset tokenization facilitates the transfer of ownership by making room for divisibility. Resultantly, crypto users from all over the world may now acquire ownership of assets irrespective of currency or geographical limitations. In the event of an art sale, a ready internet market can cause a significant increase in the value of an artwork, providing more profits to the vendor by eliminating the need for intermediaries. So how do you make your own NFTs? Many believe that creating an NFT is as difficult or as technical as creating a cryptocurrency or a blockchain. However, it's surprisingly easy. There are numerous platforms to explore when it comes to NFT creation, including Mintbase, OpenSea, and Rarible. The last two are currently the leading platforms in the NFT space. OpenSea offers a wide range of services, including the allowing of digital artists to create a web store powered by the platform's exchange. Rarible, on the other hand, leads in total sales figures. However, users can leverage both platforms to create collections and upload their works without any technical knowledge. Before starting out in the NFT market, it is worth noting that there are overhead costs. Since NFTs are mostly powered by the Ethereum blockchain, creatives need to pay gas fees to tokenize their art. So how do you mint your own NFTs? As mentioned earlier, the Ethereum blockchain hosts the majority of NFT activities by independent digital artists. To mint your NFTs using Ethereum, you'll need a Web 3.0 enabled wallet such as MetaMask, which features both a browser extension and a mobile app. Before you can make any transactions on Ethereum, you must have some ETH in your wallet, which is Ethereum's native cryptocurrency. These funds will cover the expenses for your transactions. You can purchase ETH on numerous regulated exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Qcoin, and so forth. Ethereum NFTs are developed using open source standards, and you keep or store them in your wallet. This implies that while minting NFTs, you are not limited to any single platform and may produce your NFTs using any platform or tool you desire. For instance, a creator can mint his artwork on OpenSea and decide to sell it on Rarible without the NFT leaving his Ethereum wallet. The invention of NFTs has opened up limitless opportunities for creatives. OpenSea just introduced a feature that allows developers to create NFTs without having to pay for gas fees. To explore this feature, you must first open a digital collection which will serve as the destination for your NFTs. After you have created and named a collection, you may build and add NFTs to it using picture files, video files, 3D models, audio files, or pretty much any sort of digital content file. The platform also allows creators to give their NFTs a name, description, price, and select their rarity, a process known as tokenization. So how do you sell your NFTs? One of the major purposes of creating NFTs is to make money. Therefore, you must know how to sell them the right way. You fail to do this, and you will probably have a collection that no one will ever buy. NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea and Rarible make it simple to sell NFTs throughout the ecosystem, but the former does not support auction sales. To sell an NFT, link your Ethereum wallet to your preferred platform. If you've previously generated the NFT, you can click on it and get a sell prompt, after which you may execute a transaction to finish it. If you have a collection of other creators' NFTs and want to sell it, the method is similar. Click on the asset and follow the sell instructions, and you're good to go. The NFT ecosystem is soaring and becoming easier to use. For anyone interested in minting their own NFTs, the process is quite simple. Whether you want to create, buy, or sell NFTs, there's a project out there for you to use. So happy minting. Well, thanks so much for watching. Now you have the tools and knowledge to go out there and carve your own slice out of the NFT pie. It's a growing pie, and NFTs are only going to continue to rise in popularity. I mean, you have celebrities, you have football players starting their own NFT platforms, selling their own NFTs. I mean, the list goes on and all the different use cases for NFTs, and I think we're just getting started. I would also love for you to share your thoughts in the comments below on what you think the future is for NFTs and how rapidly they're developing. And of course, if you found this video resourceful, go ahead and smash that like button. It really does help support this channel. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.